The goal of digital marketing is to assist in promoting products and services online. Being a digital marketer entails entering this market niche and developing campaigns for digital media. These campaigns typically concentrate on a variety of online platforms, such as live chat, social media, email marketing, and websites. But first, please like and subscribe to my channel. Digital marketers work in marketing departments or advertising agencies, where they develop advertising campaigns for clients or the business they are representing. Digital marketers have the responsibility of promoting the company's goods and services and generating interest in them, in addition to developing marketing campaigns. Digital marketers may conduct market research and data analysis to determine which marketing initiatives are succeeding or require revision. Additionally, they could be involved in the financial side of marketing, which includes developing pricing strategies for goods and services as well as creating marketing budgets and making sure they are followed. To understand what digital marketing is, it's also essential to know some common areas of digital marketing. These common areas include search engine optimization, content marketing, social media marketing, pay-per-click or paid search marketing, affiliate marketing, marketing automation, email marketing, digital public relations, inbound marketing, and sponsored content. Thanks for watching.